Are you looking for the best wireless backup cameras in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wireless backup cameras that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. dvknm Upgrade Backup Camera Monitor Kit. dvknm Upgrade Wireless Backup Camera features a monitor kit which includes 2 video inputs. Aside from this main feature, this model is waterproof. The camera can be connected to its monitor through a direct wire which will be provided. On the other hand, it has been designed well for easy operation. The package comes with an IR remote controller which can be installed by mounting or standing. dvknm wireless backup camera is a perfect choice for people who own semi-trailers, box trucks, and trucks. Its reversing rear-view camera with 7-inch LCD monitor is very useful to larger vehicles. If you want a budget-friendly solution for a quality backup camera, dvknm model is what you need. You can check out our guide for the best wireless video doorbells. At number 4. UWay Wireless Backup Camera System. This wireless backup camera system for UWay can support up to 4 wireless backup cameras. It takes only a few minutes to install this system. This UWay backup camera system reaches up to 328 feet maximum distance without interference. It has a steady and clear wireless image at 70 miles per hour speed. UWay backup camera is made for trucks, trailer, farm machines, horse trailers, school buses, RVs, and other huge vehicles. This may be a bit costly, but you will get what you have paid for. Its features and benefits are worthy of your trust and effort in buying this product. At number 3. Yakri HD Digital Wireless Backup Camera System. This Yakri wireless backup camera system does not have interference or flickers under the 80 feet vehicle. It is so easy to install and you can disassemble the base. This system also comes with a 5-inch monitor. It connects the camera to the reverse lights during reverse use. Yakri wireless backup camera has 5 functions brought by its intelligent switch feature. You can on and off reversing guidelines. You can also adjust the length, width and downward angle for guidelines. Yakri wireless backup camera system is a perfect use for cars, RVs, trucks, and trailers. If you do not consider the price, you will be very satisfied with this item. You will get one of the best wireless backup camera units today. At number 2. istrong Upgraded Dual Digital Wireless Backup Camera. The istrong Dual Digital Backup Camera boasts its upgraded split display functions with dash cam record feature. This also includes 32 GB of micro SD card. This backup camera has a very stable and high-speed digital wireless function without interference. Wireless signals stay clear and smooth at a car speed of 100 miles per hour. istrong is also IP69 waterproof and takes pride in its 150-degree wide viewing angle as well as impressive night vision. This dual backup camera by istrong has advanced features and extra perks that you cannot find in other wireless backup cameras. If you think all the key features and benefits of this product meet your standards, this will be of big help to you. This istrong dual digital backup camera works best for buses, trailers, RVs, and trucks. At number 1. Autovox Digital Wireless Backup Camera Kit. Autovox boasts technological advancement in its wireless backup camera which is in a digital system. There are many things to appreciate in this camera kit. First, it highlights digital stable signal transmission. This unique signal will replace the typical analog signal. This means that there will be no interference coming from other wireless devices. Second, this digital backup camera by Autovox has improved built-in transmitter, Autovox CS2 rear view camera. You will not deal with complicated wires and worry about the proper location of the transmitter. Lastly, you get other powerful features. Some of these include 6 adjustable parking lines, dual-use camera, vivid image restoration, and superb night vision. By considering the features and benefits of autovox wireless backup camera, you can tell that it is worthy of your money. If you are looking for a valuable backup camera for your car, this item makes a good choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.